I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Candy Crush game in Scratch. Start by creating a new project in Scratch. Design your candy sprites, ensuring you have at least 5 distinct colors or shapes for variety. Next, set up your game board. A common size is a 9 by 9 grid, providing 81 individual cells for your candies. This initial setup forms the foundation for your entire game, so take your time to get it right. Now, let's implement the core game mechanics. Players should be able to swap any 2 adjacent candies by clicking and dragging, or by selecting them sequentially. Crucially, you'll need to write scripts to detect when 3 or more identical candies align horizontally or vertically. Once a match is found, these candies must be removed from the game board, clearing space for new ones. After candies are removed, gravity takes over. Program your remaining candies to fall downwards, filling any empty spaces below them. Simultaneously, you'll need to generate new candies to refill the top rows of your game board. It's important to ensure these newly generated candies don't immediately form new matches, preventing an endless chain reaction. This keeps the game challenging and fair. Finally, let's add scoring and game over conditions. Award points to players based on the number of candies they match in each move. For instance, 3 candies could be 10 points. You can set a target score, say 500 points, or a limited number of moves, perhaps 25. Once these conditions are met, display a clear game over screen, concluding the player's session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.